Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to make one left and make one right. I've started a swatch for you here. I'm doing my increases a couple stitches in from the edge. So to start, I'm just going to knit 2. Alright, so to make one left, the goal is to pick up this bar or ladder that stretches between the last stitch on your right needle and the first stitch on your left needle. It's right here. And how you do that is important. So to make one left, you want to pick it up from front to back. So I'll show you how. Just like that. I'll drop it down again and show you one more time. From front to back, just like that. Now what you want to do is knit it through the back loop. So you can see it might seem a little tough, but just kind of work your needle in there. I'll show you one more time. Through the back loop, and there you go. Increase 1 stitch. I'm going to knit to the other end of my swatch and show you how to make one right. Make one right and left. It's abbreviated with a little m and then the number 1 and then either capital L or capital R to indicate which which increase you're doing. It's a really subtle increase, and by that I mean like there's no holes created. You'll see it in all sorts of different patterns. It's a really handsome way to increase and very common. My make one right is a couple stitches in from the edge. So let me just get there. All right. Okay, so to make one right, it's the same idea. So you want to pick up this bar right here. But this time, instead of going from front to back, you actually want to go from back to front. Make one right, you have the R, and so I think of back as coming from the rear here, R and R. The alliteration helps me remember which one's which. So I'm just going to pick it up here. And this time, what you want to do is knit through the front loop. And again, if you knit really tight, this might feel a little awkward at first, but you'll get used to it. It'll become more familiar the more you do it. So you just knit through the front loop. I'm going to now knit to the end of my swatch here. We'll take a look at how these stitches actually get their name. So the make one right, it creates this like really subtle but beautiful little right slanting detail. You can see it traveling up this whole side here. And similarly, the make one left has this little, you can see little left leg of your stitches in front, creating a nice little left slant. And that's 2 ways to increase.